家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi there, I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes another Hakka song on ICRT, brought to you by the group ChunNoodle, and a song called gimgim, which literally means gold, and that's because it's part of the Taiwan's first Hakka-language period drama called Gold Leaf, which was very, very popular. And the song tells the story of Jisang, who built his empire as Tea Tiger, but eventually has his dream destroyed by bankruptcy. Let's take a listen to this sad and emotional song, Gimgim.这首歌呢是由春面乐团所带来的《金金》，也是客家年度大戏《茶经》里面的插曲哦。描述的是纪赏呢好不容易建造出一个茶壶世界，最终呢却面临破产，一切繁华似梦。而春面乐团呢用单簧管乐呢以及钢琴声来叙述这个非常沉重的气氛。This song really carries a heavy atmosphere. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you get a chance, go check out the TV drama Gold Leaf. The song is brought to you by 春面乐团 ChunNoodle called gimgim. My name is Joseph Lin. Thank you for listening.And we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.